Hi, everybody. It's Christine here. I am the content lead here in Into Profits. And here in the agency, we do two things. First, we manage ads, and second, we optimize listings for six, seven-figure business sellers on Amazon to improve their sales and their profits. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update product title and bullet points on Amazon Seller Central. It's super simple once you know where to go and what to do. So if you're just getting started or need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. To get started, first log into your Amazon Seller Central account. From the top menu, hover over Inventory and click on Manage All Inventory. Next, scroll through your listings or use the search bar to find the product you want to update. Once you find it, click the Edit Listing button on the far right of that listing. You'll now be on the Edit Product Info page. Now let's click on the Product Details. Under the Product Details tab, look for the Item Name field. So this is where you can update your title. Just make sure your title includes your main keywords, brand name, and is within Amazon's character limit, which is typically 200 characters or less. Now let's go to the bullet points. So in this field, you can update your bullet points. So in here, you can update them with clear, benefit-driven copy that highlights what makes your product stand out. So each bullet point should be short and easy to scan. Once you are done updating the title and the bullet points, you can now scroll down and click Save and Finish. So once you've submitted the changes, if approved, changes will be reflected within 24 hours. And that's a wrap. Super easy, right? So if this video will help you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more Amazon tips, and drop a comment below to let us know what tutorial you'd like to see next. And if you want us to take a look at your product listings, we're offering a free content audit for your account. Just reach out and we'll be happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.